It's a beautiful morning. Good morning. Good morning. Once again mga kababayan, this is Coach Ernie, your founder of the Lions Group International. Mga kababayan, I have a question for you. May tanong ako sa inyo. Are you an open-minded person? Or are you an open-minded individual? Mga kababayan, if your answer is yes, then kudos to you, I salute you, and congratulations. And if your answer is no, mga kababayan, maybe this business opportunity is not for you. And I respect you for that. Mga kababayan, to those who say yes, I want to invite you to be part of Live Good Company. It's just a new company, mga kababayan, less than 2 years. It's now #1 online home business in the world, #1 in many countries, and soon to be #1 here in the Philippines, mga kababayan ko. Thank you for your great interest. And I want to invite you to become part of my team, Lions Group International, one of the fastest growing team doing Live Good business, mga kababayan ko. So just click my link tour, mga kababayan ko, my own link tour of Live Good. It's www.livegoodtour.com/audax, mga kababayan. And also you can message me in my Facebook profile, Ernie Oser, so that we can go forward in this opportunity, mga kababayan ko. Bye for now, mga kababayan ko, and together we can succeed. See you at the top, mga kababayan.